Named in honor of the place where brothers Richard and Donald Rheem built a water heating empire, the Richmond brand was established in 1983 to offer exceptional performance and value. And today, Richmond is proud of its bold commitments for 2025 to dramatically reduce our impact on the environment. We are committed to addressing the labor shortage and increasing training needs facing our industry. And we see a future with zero waste in the use and manufacturing of Richmond products. That's why we are designing for zero waste. We are reimagining Richmond products to slash their greenhouse gas footprint, refining our processes to drastically reduce our carbon footprint and landfill waste, all while training plumbers and contractors on how to install, monitor, and maintain sustainable products to perform as efficiently as possible. From the very beginning, we've integrated sustainable thinking into everything we do. And as a member of a global family of brands, we will deliver greater performance while contributing to something greater than ourselves, creating solutions that truly make a difference, delivering a greater degree of good.